flavour, tender beef and just enough pepper to wake up your taste buds. This one's bold but still comforting. Surprisingly low effort for how good it tastes. Let's get straight into it. I have got a piece of flank steak here. This is my favorite cut for stir fries. So we're going to cut this into sections. And we're going to cut against the grain. My grain goes that way. I'm going to cut against the grain. You can get fancy and cut this on an angle, but today I'm in a hurry, so I'm just going to cut thin strips. Let's marinate our chicken. Super simple ingredients here. We've got some soy sauce, oyster sauce, cornstarch, sesame oil, and mix that through. We're going to set that aside while we get on with the veggies. Let's start with our aromatics. We're going to slice up some ginger, dice up some garlic, I've got some spring onions that I'm going to chop up. So just slice the thicker part in half. And we're just going to cut it into 2-inch pieces. Separate the white bits from the darker bits. We're going to use this later. Next, chop up a capsicum. Cut it into thin strips. And we're going to slice up 1 red onion into strips. Make sure to open up your red onions. Now here comes the star of the show, the black pepper. I am grinding my black pepper because I want a nice fresh black pepper taste instead of the ones that you get in the store. Please adjust the pepper to your preference. Okay, that's my pepper done, and a lot of sneezing, so be warned. Okay, now let the fun begin. Add some oil to a pan. We're going to go in with our onions and our capsicum first. And just toss that through for about a minute. We just want to take out the rawness from the onion and capsicum. Once you're happy with that, we're going to take it out and set that aside. Drizzle a bit more oil into that pan. And our beef goes in next. Spread it out. And we're going to let our beef sear on one side. So don't stir this, just let it make contact with the pan and sear on one side. I can see my beef has changed color, so let's just toss it through. Now this cut of beef does not need a lot of cooking. Just cook it through till it changes color. So it's nice and tender and juicy. Okay, my beef is cooked, so I'm just going to take this out. I'm going to add a little bit more oil. Next goes in my ginger. Garlic, just toss that through till you can smell the aroma. Black pepper. Now don't put too much black pepper. You can always add black pepper to the dish later. My beef goes in next. Toss that through. Next goes in some oyster sauce, soy sauce, a bit of sesame oil, and mix that through. That smells good.
If you're enjoying this recipe, it is part of my Comfort in a Pan series. All about warm, flavor-packed meals that come together fast. You'll find a link in the description below.
A little bit of more cornstarch to add a bit of gravy. Mix that through. Oh, I can smell that black pepper. It smells good. Do a little taste test. That is looking good. My veggies go in next. Toss that through. Onions. That is smelling good. I can get a nice strong pepper smell, just the way I like it. And my spring onions. And just before I finish it off, a little dash more of some pepper.
And that's it, a quick peppery stir fry that seriously hits the spot. If this is your kind of dinner, check out the Comfort in a Pan series for more no-fuss, full-flavor recipes. Subscribe if you haven't already and let me know in the comments what comfort food looks like for you. See you in the next video.